Certificate 2 in Engineering Pathways enables students to gain some valuable skills. Some of these opportunities include using a welder, machining, and even learning how to use hand tools.
G'day, my name is Marcus MacDonald. I'm a first year apprentice metal fabricator at Bow Hill Engineering. Why I chose to do the Cert 2 in Engineering Pathways was because I thought it was a chance to learn some things I hadn't learned before, and it was possibly going to get me into a career that I wanted to explore, which it has done.
Our purpose-built Trade Skills Centre enables our students to learn hands-on experience in small teams working with students from all around the region. Our students visit local industries and build connections in the engineering field.
Some of the things I learnt through the Cert 2 course were basic MIG and arc welding skills, and sort of basic hand tools and power tool skills as well, and a few sort of fabrication and measurement things as well. The best part of the course would have been the final project, which is the buggy behind me. We basically built that from scratch, including the frame, all the little fabrication parts and assembly. The Cert 2 in Engineering Pathways helped me transition into my apprenticeship by giving me a further taste for the career, and as well giving me another chance for work experience, which was how I ended up with my career.
A Certificate 2 in Engineering Pathways enables students to gain valuable SACE credits. Students can gain up to 60 Stage 1 credits from achieving the Complete Certificate in Engineering Pathways. It gives students a chance to experience the trade while still studying at school, so that those students who aren't confident that this is the trade for them can have a try and then still gain their SACE and not commit to an overall apprenticeship.
Some of the machines that we used last year would have been welders, angle grinders, all those sorts of power tools, larger equipment such as the drill press and mill, and little fine hand tools like squares and combinations and all that sort of stuff. My favourite part about the Cert 2 engineering course last year would have been the site tour day, which is where we went around to a few workshops, including Bow Hill Engineering. We basically got to explore and see the multiple different careers through the one job, as there's lots of different ways to do it and lots of different projects throughout it. I would 100% recommend the Cert 2 engineering course for anyone interested in engineering. It gives you a taste and further in-look to the career that you might be looking to get.
If you want to find some more information about the engineering courses here at Unity College, please contact the Pathways team on the email on the screen.